Replacing halogen high beam to LED from Lasfit. OEM came with halogen, it's in warm white and dim. After installing LED from Lasfit, it's 700% brighter than OEM halogen. They are in 6000K and 13,000 LM rated. Night test, footage from the dashcam. Let's begin unboxing and do the install. High quality, with a built-in fan to cool down the bulb. Let's start with opening up the hood. Locate the high beam, and turn it counterclockwise to release the socket. Press the lock pin to release the bulb. Plug the Lasfit H11 into the socket. You will hear a click once it's locked in. Now insert the bulb back into the housing and turn it clockwise to lock. You can adjust the bulb angle if it's not aligned. Turn on the high beam to see if it lights up. You can also compare the difference between OEM and Lasfit. Now let's do the passenger side. It's a bit trickier than the driver's side. Remove the socket just like the driver's side. Remove the OEM bulb. Insert the Lasfit H11. Use a flat head to remove the washer fluid retainer clip. Use a wrench with 10mm socket to remove the bracket. Pull the washer fluid reservoir to remove the top part. Now you will have enough space to insert the Lasfit H11. Turn it clockwise to lock the socket, and adjust the angle if needed. Turn on the high beam and see if it lights up. After making sure everything worked, start putting everything back together. Lastly, strap down the transformer so it won't fly around while driving. They do heat up, so make sure you strap them to metals.